foggy. I'm gonna walk to the Avenue K right here. This mess. These two guys obviously couldn't get anywhere, so they had to just leave their cars. Yes, it is still windy. Okay, it is still very windy. It's going to be the plowing down. Now that those two cars are in the way. That would be interesting. Let's see what the street looks like this. It's pretty bad, eh? These steps over here, I think there's my footsteps from when I came out about 20 minutes ago. That guy's shoveling his car out. I don't know for what reason. You can't drive anywhere. I mean, you can't drive anywhere. No, those are my steps. Look at that. You would never know that I actually shoveled. Yes, I shoveled last night. You can see how much of a dent that did in today's volume. There's a step here somewhere. Climb every mountain.